Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp group. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video, so let's get started. First of all, make sure your WhatsApp application is up to date. Now just open it. Here below, click on the plus icon. Then click on New Group. Now add the people you want to include in this group, okay? Then click on this right arrow. Here, type your WhatsApp group name, then tap on the tick icon. As you can see, the group has been created. Now, if you want to add more people to this group, click on Add Members and select whom you want to add. To add a logo and description, go to Group Info. If you want to add a group description, click on Add Group Description and type it here. To add a logo, click on the group profile icon. Here, you'll see options for adding a logo. You can choose one from your gallery, or you can add emojis and stickers. So friends, this is how you can create a WhatsApp group. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching.